We have 2 concurrent viewers.
Wow, cool.
Okay, I think we're live now. And double ping.
Nice.
Thanks for
Okay.
that, Smudge. Thanks for that. Welp. Um. Right, so everything seems to be working,
Nice.
which is unexpected. What shall we work on?
Um, well, you said placing and removing blocks, so I guess that.
Indeed.
Or we try to fix the graphical issues like the textures and whatnot.
Hello, Mark Kangala. Oh, your volume is off. Oh. Right, we do need to fix textures. We fixed this earlier. You can see sometimes transparent pixels and textures through blocks.
Ooh,
That's fun. Looks like it's only on one axis.
ah,
Yeah,
okay.
it's only on this axis. Only I'm on now.
Okay,
Hi.
looks like some sorting is wrong.
Yep. Yeah, I can confirm it's only on that axis. Okay, and it is
Well, I mean,
infinitely
probably
far away.
because it's the first axis it checks.
Yeah. Okay, well, we must be too aggressively breaking out of the loop, I guess.
Hmm.
Let's fix that real quick.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Right, I forgot it just syntax errors it. You're inserting hashtag defines at the beginning shader that aren't in the actual shader file. Put them through code. Um, how updated are you on the status of the
Uh,
since last time?
I mean, I think I pulled the last changes, but like I didn't really look at them. I just saw that it was like 6 changes, 6 commits.
Ah, um, right. So I added this thing right here where it takes from the hello Ouija cool into the stream. Um, basically before building the shader, it adds in this a bunch of hashtag defines at the top of the shader code that contain the variables from the C++ code.
Yeah, okay.
The audio stream's bitrate is 0, lower than the recommended bitrate. Recommend you to use an audio bitrate of 128. You're telling me the bitrate is 0 right now.
Oh
Wait.
God.
Chat, can you hear me? What happened to Wii Odyssey? That's a mostly dead project right now. So why is the game set to Hollow Knight? I never changed it to Minecraft. Okay, beautiful. Yes, okay. Well, we updated the game set. Um, right. What was I saying?
Uh, Not sure actually.
Okay. Thank you, Agnes Ertilla's brother, for subscribing for the rest of your life. Oh god, I remember I sent this message a really long time ago. Nice. Right, so we basically build the shader, we add to the shader code before we build it. That's why we have a bunch of syntax errors here. World height and world size aren't defined yet. Defined right when the shader is built. It makes it a pain to write the actual shader with syntax highlighting them. I'm guessing skip rest of pass right here is not being set correctly. We set skip rest pass to false all the time. I'm assuming we shouldn't get any. Okay, figure out a better way to do this. Drag the window. Okay, we should get less performance, but yeah. We don't have the.
Hmm.
What does skip rest of path? So if it's set to true, finish this if statement. Finish this while loop is a bit odd. I think we should break out of it. Oh, right, we do. We do this. We set the condition to false. Instead of doing an if and then a branch, an if and then a break because branching. So, still branching since it's the condition loop, right?
Yeah, I guess.
No idea.
Neither do I.
Okay. So, I guess let's
I
just
mean,
keep this. Yeah.
it's also hard to find out anything about shaders.
True. I wish I could look at the white code that is generated by the shader.
Oh yeah. Although that would mean that you would need to know the assembly of your graphics card.
Right, just pop it into Ghidra and hope it works.
What? No.
Okay, maybe not. Right, so this still breaks if I don't have this. If I only break out of this loop, it still doesn't work. This loop is the axis loop. So I guess we can't break at all with the rest of pass thing. Forget why I even have this. Okay.
I think it's just optimization.
Yeah, except I didn't comment anything. I didn't write down why I did things. So it's there's just this variable here. I get rid of it. Anything bad happen? Nope. Good, and I can still run at. Nice. I'm really surprised that it runs this well. Considering how bad it was lagging before when we had just one work unit per thing. Also, battery saving mode is great. Want to save your battery. Oh, 4K runs good. Maybe because it's night. And this lags really bad. Okay, right. So we can either do breaking or placing blocks, which requires updating the world array, making a raycast on the CPU, which should be cool.
Yeah.
And sending the updated world data to the shader, which I'm assuming we can just do with a sub texture 3D, whatever that's called.
Okay. Probably.
And the other option is fixing the textures.
Yeah.
With the audio bitrate warnings, I'll look at what it says. Doesn't say. It just says we're going at 44.1 kilohertz. Okay. I guess it must be a false warning. Nice. So, what would you prefer to work on?
Placing blocks, definitely.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure I did make a raycast. I did write a CPU raycast somewhere, but I can't find it here. I'm guessing. But it should be a simple case of copy paste.
Pretty much, yeah.
So I'm pretty sure we do need that. C. And put it probably near the collision. Slide player. There we go. And works perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do. We return a position, or because we also need to know which face hit, like which side of the block the raycast hit. We need to know which block we're hovering over.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Or we can just
Forgot about that.
do void and set global variables, I guess.
Yeah. That's probably the better idea, yeah.
Raycast. I guess we need to take an input.
Well, I mean, you could always just put it in by reference. Like,
True. Okay. So BLM, and that would be the hovered block. Then I guess we do. Should we do an integer, or should we just return the position of the block? Or, sorry, of the place block.
I think just return the position.
Okay. GLM vec. Oh, I need to make them references. I haven't touched C++ in like, maybe less than a week, 2 days. I'm already forgetting everything. Place block position. Place block out. Yes, I don't know how to in a way that makes sense. Guess we can add a naming rule. Add a valid. Yeah, sure. For camel case, valid suffix out. Size should be solution. Doubled. Oh, just 0. And let's make this not an integer. BLM doesn't like this. Nice. Formalize. And I think this. I still don't understand how to make commentary on programming interesting. Since I have to be typing and talking at the same time.
Yeah. And I'm also not really good communicator / entertainer. So,
Fine.
yeah.
Don't need the second pass. Burn. Okay. Ton of errors to get past. Oh, I guess we don't need to do this optimized calculation to avoid branching. Normal if statements that make more.
Yeah.
Can do. If not in world. Block hit. That. Here we just do world at block hit. Or actually no, just get block at. Go now. The axis constants would be. Oh well. Oh, we don't need to check. Oh yeah, we don't need to check the textures at all. What am I doing? Blockhead ID is not equal to air. Then
Well, you should check for transparent pixels still.
do you think you should be able to break blocks through dirt? I mean through leaves?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean, maybe not. I don't know.
I mean, Minecraft 4K does let you do that, but because it does it in the render, and normal Minecraft doesn't. Still, we can choose whichever one, I think.
Yeah. I mean, it's probably better if you can't.
Okay. Right, well that saves us code, so.
Yeah.
Oh right, do you want to connect through Parsec, or is it better be watching through, or I don't
I
know.
wouldn't say it's better, but like, I don't want to ruin your internet connection.
Oh, we're fine right
Oh,
now.
okay. All
Right.
right. Yeah, because I mean, obviously, I have some delay with the stream.
Yeah.
I
Luckily, I
do.
managed to get Ethernet wired all the way up to here. Well, it was already wired, so I can do gigabit Ethernet directly
Okay.
from the router, which is really nice. Except Steam still throttles my connection, so I can't download games fast. Uh, Hopefully you're seeing the right monitor.
No, I'm
No, okay,
seeing the stream.
beautiful. Host, generic PNP monitor. No, generic PNP monitor. There
Yeah,
we go.
that looks better.
Yep, the correct generic PNP monitor. Okay. So, right, just return. Right now, we can just set block pause out. Equals block hit. There we go. And then we need to place block pause out, which should be a bit more interesting. Let's set it to block hit and then modify it here. Say if axis 0, axis x 0 for now. I forget what the ray tracer. Oh, it just checks axis equals. Checks array delta. Should be able to do a switch state. Switch axes. Case 0, then covered block pause out. Could do it's delta equals delta and get axis dot. No, does that not work? Oh, it does work. Okay. And then we do over absolute value, or can we get sign of it? Oh, GLM sign. Why does the GLM 3D library have all of the math functions? Okay. Covered block pause out.
Well, probably because it's a math library.
Well, likely, but it's 3D math library. I was guessing the standard library would have them.
Yeah, I mean, to me it looks like GLM is trying to imitate GLSL.
Yeah.
So, and GLSL also has stuff for other dimensions. So, it makes sense, I guess.
I guess they're just template functions that cover all of the dimensions for like 1 dimension, 2 dimension, etc.
Yeah.
Or I wonder if there's the Vec 5. I know
Oh
GLSL
God.
doesn't have one.
No.
IP. That high precision.
Yeah.
Medium single qualifier single qualifier. Okay, I don't know what that means. So this should work, I think. Oh, and then return. Because we've hit a block. I think. Oh, right. Probably want to use closest to it, but for now I'm going to ignore. Okay. This is fine. Oh, right, we need frustum div. I think screen res times fov over default. Frustum div and float frustum div. That should work.
Hmm.
I guess it is a vec2. Okay.
Oh.
Here we go. So now the ray trace compute shader needs to take an input of the hover block. Hello Jacob Gonzalez and hello FBI agent 420. What's going on in here? I have no idea. We're trying to basically cast a ray from the player's position into the game's world so that we know what block the player is looking at and wants to maybe either break or place. Right now what we're doing is we're transferring that information to the GPU so it can highlight it. So I think we would do uniform vec3 over block position. That for now. Transfer it. That goes. Keep getting lost in this code because it's really long code. Lapse all
Yeah,
of
I
that.
mean, there's nothing stopping you from introducing other source files, like splitting it up.
Yeah, but I'm. No, don't exit the stream. Why does that? Hello, Blue Games. I am sort of back. Trying it out. How it goes. Pretty fun so far, but I don't think coding is what the current audience of this channel would usually watch. I don't know. Maybe if it goes better, I might try doing coding.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I did stick a bunch of utility functions in. I think there's a type. What wrong? No. Right, I did stick a bunch of utility functions here, like the Java random class out of util. But problem is, we're gonna get a new Minecraft series. Uh, I guess if this releases, it's all right so far. Builds, you know, what it looks like. You can turn the god. You can turn the FOV up. That was not meant to.
Oh, nice.
Uh, what happened here? Yep. Oh, totally intended. Wait, we had the same problem on the original Java version. Look down. What? Oh. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh no. Why? Look up. Oh god. I love how the sun just like blaze across the screen.
yeah.
Uh, 4 hours left until what? Turquoise Master. Okay, well, first of all, my fans are going crazy. And second of all, what happened? Uh, oh, why is it pushing tab all of a sudden? Nice. Not a sun anymore, that's a meteor. Oh god. Right.
Yeah.
Oh no, I pressed the wrong key. There we go. 4 hours left until world. What? Not sure what you mean. Okay, yeah, I don't know. We could have a separate, like, initialization file where all of the init functions record.
Well, I mean, I would just have a texture gen file.
And a world gen file.
Yeah.
Okay. Why not? Oh, wait, no, not a resource file. Add new item. Call it not source.cp. Also, it's a texture gen, texture factory.
Ooh.
Yeah, go with the.
But isn't factory more Java like? I mean, okay,
Uh,
I don't know what you would call it in C++, so
I don't know. I was thinking of the how Minecraft named, but we can name it something.
yeah, I mean, Minecraft, of course, uses Java
Yeah,
naming conditions, so
I don't know naming conventions. Guess we have to delete it. Because Visual Studio sucks.
no,
Add new item,
yeah,
header file, texture generation.
yeah.
Oh, JuPaHe, to check Discord, it's important, really important. You'll be happy, Suncat. God. Uh,
What?
I mean, I don't see anything on my Discord, but I guess it's in your DMs. Do you have Java Edition? Yeah, I have all of the editions. By that I mean I have Java Edition. The only relevant edition. Actually, no, I think I have Bedrock due to it being free for Java Edition owners. Do I actually?
Okay, I'm confused.
Do.
Yeah, sorry, Ethan God, I'm not sure what you're trying to tell me.
This is gonna be epic. You want to share Realm? No, I don't have Realms, and I haven't played Java Edition quite a long time. I should play again, actually. Java Edition. Tell him. Oh no. Do we have to make this a separate file for just one function? I hate making an H and a C file, like everything. Guess we do a. Oh, I guess we return edge UN. Over. Yes, if you say so. Create it. Wait, it exists? What? Did it make it?
Hmm?
Of the awesomeness. Do my best. I hope JuPaHe can. Right, I think it created a ghost file. Never mind, it actually exists. Returns. So, I guess just copy over texture.
Yeah, that should work.
This. Control X. That's two dones. Need that. Later dot plus and bam, we're done. Obviously not. What happened here?
Oh,
no. We want
right.
include h.
Yeah, and you still need all the global variables to be actually global, maybe?
No, we have to put them in some H file where it reads from.
Yeah. Or I mean, I'm not sure if that's how it works, but can you do namespaces? I mean, I know you can do namespaces, but like, would that work?
Yeah, so the problem is that the mic is going bad. Oh wait, really? Is my mic not doing well? I'll change the date. This should be better, I think. Is the mic better? Take that as a yes. Enthusiastic yes. Yes, okay, nice. Right, so the problem is C++ only knows whatever is in the code is basically just copy paste it to the top. So
Yeah,
if we want to use these extra rest stuff, we have to hashtag include a file that defines them. But we can't hashtag include minecraft4k.cp. Could do. Take all these constant const exrs, select all of them, and put it in a file that we do use. I guess kind of could be util. Or we can just make a new file. I'll just make a new. Oh no, it's happening again. What is happening? Constants.h. Put it before the pragma ones. Nice. Okay. Include you in. Okay. Gonna go. Goodbye. Thank you for being. Thank you for stopping by. Right. Constants. H. That should fix that. It's gonna want me to sort them. Okay. So now texture generator should be able to. Then I guess create a new random instance. Random rand equals random, initiate with that seed. There we go. Gotten rid of all of the errors except for Atlas text. It's going to be gl uint texture Atlas. Put a T. Okay, and then we can just return texture Atlas text. Okay, that should work. However, I'm not sure if it will work. That would be good if it did work.
Yeah.
Did I call it? Textures. There we go, nice. Out. Okay, I guess we can do the same for the world.
Yeah, I mean, maybe test it first.
Yep, it works.
Perfect.
Okay, make the world factory, or world generator. Yeah, actually that's a better name, world generator.
Yeah.
World factory. World generator.h. And just void generate world. Got bored of doing stuff, so you're back. Nice. Welcome back. World. What does generate world need to modify the world array? Yeah, I guess we can just pass a reference to it. My mic isn't breaking anymore. Yep, nice. Fixed it. Array reference. Does this work? I think it does. Oh right, we just pass a function file for me. Really nice. And then we can paste. Here we can random object out at the beginning. Hashtag include util.h. And we also need the constant. Let's do that. Include constants.h. Go, and now it wants the set block function. What I was worried about. I guess we can just go. Oh, hey, that works. Okay, and we need set block. They're miscellaneous functions. I have no idea what's happening, but it looks cool, so you'll watch. Welcome, young Master Luke. Basically, what's happening right now is we're moving the world generator over to a different file. It is basically what is happening. Oh, right, we no longer have access to the world variable. World array. I guess pass it to the set block function. I don't like that. Or I could be smart and just store the world in the world generator instead of storing it in the main C++ file. You don't really need access to it. World, just there, Control X, get into here. Okay, so now we don't need to pass world into the function. That's here. This. There we go.
Okay.
And that got rid of all of the errors. Nice. I'm really surprised. You need to find these in, in the H file. Should be good. It wants me to remove the const. Okay, let's do that for this one too. Block that as well. World and okay, so that be good. Over instance, hashtag define classic. Let's stick that in there. Okay, that works. What I'm guessing is happening for the FOV broken is that we're not updating frustration. I don't recall writing that. There. Okay, so this should theoretically be fine.
I guess you're the passing them, but
Why is the compute shader giving me compile errors?
because you don't have the defines edit.
Right, but it prints them to the console, not built when Visual Studio compiles it.
Oh.
Right? Static
Yeah,
function
right.
block declared but not
Hmm.
for the C++ files now. Generator.c++.
Yeah. I mean, did you accidentally turn GLSL into a source file?
I don't think so, because if it did, I would get compile versions for like compile errors for hashtag version and layout and stuff.
Yeah, right.
Oh, maybe it doesn't like static functions. Never really understood.
Yeah, I mean, static functions only make sense in classes.
Right.
Like,
We're not speaking Java here.
yeah, but I mean, like, if you would have a class, then of course you would use static. But yeah, you don't need a class for each file like Java. So yeah.
Okay, I'm really confused. Multiply defined symbols. World is already defined, but where is world?
Are you doing the if not defined thing? Like
I'm doing,
this if and def?
yeah, I'm doing pragma once, which basically
Oh, okay.
pragma one. I'm looking at find world. Probably instead search for space. Uh, yeah, so it's saying that the world array is defined multiple times. But I'm not seeing that. It's only defined here.
Yeah. What happens if you rebuild?
I just did.
Oh.
And char pointer world is already defined. Try again. Clean.
Yeah.
One succeeded. And rebuild. Okay, well these should be ignored because I know what they're doing here. Let's look at the compiler output. Warnings, and then at bottom right here. Char pointer world already defined.
Maybe the project file is broken somehow. Or like the solution.
I hope not. That would be not
Yeah.
good. World under right. I can't just stick it in the C++ file because I need it. C++. So it needs to be here. if not defined, world h file hashtag in h hashtag n. Nope.
Yeah, okay.
Let's move that block in there. A.cp. Issues. Nope, that's not what I.
But yeah, now I remember why I moved away from C++. This is just horrible.
This just becomes such a mess.
Yeah.
After a little bit. Okay, so we have to add it back. Let's just keep it in the same file.
Yeah, probably.
You don't need to
Yeah,
spam
no.
Control Z.
I mean, I never told you to move the world generator.
True. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Everything should be well. And that world is still. Oh right, we don't want world generator. Delete. Delete. Deleted. There we go. Okay, it's working. And oh right, the fix for the FOV got Z'd. Okay, well let's add back the fix for the FOV.
Yeah.
Which should just be this goes. That should just custom do this. Grab that. There we go. Now theoretically, yep, we can make it lag my computer really bad. It doesn't go into full Quake Pro mode. Right. So we need to pass over the covered block data over to the
Yeah.
for the.
I completely forgot where we were before, yeah.
Yeah, we do need to do this. Covered block position, PSO, pause, and covered block pause.
I mean, did you even make sure that the hovered block makes sense?
Nope.
Maybe. I mean, I guess we will see.
Right, but we
Anyway.
do have to do the raycast at some point. Raycast
Oh, yeah.
pixel
Good idea.
chords should just be green res over 2.
Oh yeah, right. Of course.
Covered block pause. Place block pause. Okay. Does this build? Yep, we should probably print it out so that it makes sense. Out. Covered block pause. Backslash. N. Welcome Hubkid and Colby Jack Cheese. Okay, two things I noticed right out of the way is that when we were flying in the sky, uh, we were getting hovered block pause. So we're not taking into account the player reach. Yeah,
Yeah.
it seems correct. Move on the z-axis. The z-axis
Nice.
changes. Nice. But if I don't look at anything, it doesn't change. It should be set to -1.
Oh, yeah, right.
So I guess we can't return early. We have to use the was block hit boolean, which is why is send still here? Let's do bool was block hit equals false. Here we do block hit true. No, what am I doing? No. I'm done, sorry. What we can do is just
Wait,
do at the end
why
of
do
this.
you return there?
If we hit a block, thrown, right?
No, because this is per axis.
Far are you? Oh, true. So we need to use the closest hit.
Could be.
Okay, I'm just
Yeah.
gonna real
Yeah,
quick right here.
closest hit, yeah.
Covered block pause out. GLM spec -1.
And I think that we just don't need that at all. Yeah, like we can just do that, yeah.
Okay, but we do need to return then, if we have, because we're setting it here, and then when we exit the loop, setting it back to negative. Colby asks, how far are you planning on taking Minecraft 4K? Honestly, I'm just having a lot of fun with it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't have.
We had some ideas, but like nothing really that is like easy to do.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I have to do back in a second.
Okay. Okay.
It started raining, so I closed all of the windows.
Ah.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we did, yeah, as JuPaHe said, we do have some ideas, but I don't know. I don't really see a clear finish line right now.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
I mean, I don't think I'm gonna go as far as trying to implement chunks, but
Yeah.
I don't know. At least get it as far as the Java version, maybe a bit more. Right. So if we hit a block, we do need the boolean. Then we do bool was block hit equals false. Yeah. So that here
Why
we can
though?
do.
I mean, I thought we just return closest hit, which is -1 if nothing is hit. Right?
Like this.
What? No, we just return closest hit. Or am I stupid now?
Oh, right. Of course. Ignore what I said. We're good right here. We can just do this. Closest hit. Oh, and what about axes?
Um, I thought we would calculate that, but yeah, no, okay.
You can just store it as another
Yeah.
guess.
I mean, we could just say whenever we write to closest hit, we also write to axis, yeah.
0, and then here closest hit equals block hit.
I see a naming issue there. Axis.
Oh,
Axis.
you do see a naming issue. Axis. Thanks for the suggestion, Resharper. Axis 1. Hello, Klasky27 Anime Logo Gamer. That is indeed a username. I can't disagree with that. What to name it?
Closest hit axis.
Closest hit axis. And then we do close hit axes equals axes. Okay.
Alright, and now...
Oh, we need to also check if we need to do furthest hit equals flare reach. That way we can't hit stuff that's really far away. Oh no. Radar, I think. Welcome aboard, idiot. Stream. This uses.
I think we also need to keep track of the. Oh wait.
We just use radar.
No, wait. Yeah, we need to calculate the. No, we need to calculate the direction. Actually, we should calculate everything on the closest hit. Maybe not. I don't know. No, okay, maybe just the direction. Like the. So we calculate the closest hit axis and the closest hit direction.
Ah, okay.
That should be too expensive.
Actually, I'm thinking about it. We could just make closest hit axis negative direction. Is that a bad idea?
It's bad for indexing.
Oh, true. Never mind. Okay. So int.
I mean, sure, you could do some fancy stuff with like absolute and sign, like that could work, but
yeah, we're okay.
I don't think it's worth it.
Let's take the sign of this.
You're saving one variable.
Yes, we must save the one variable.
Oh yeah.
Or variable, it needs to be saved. I
wonder how big the application is.
It's like 96 kilobytes.
Nowhere near 4K.
It is huge. Especially since we have to include the GLFW thing. Okay, it looks to be working. Point at nothing, we get negative. Something that makes sense, we get by one block. Looks to be. Not sure, we should make it highlight.
Yeah, of course. Also, I wonder, maybe we can actually implement a transparent block for like where you would set the block.
Ooh, that could be it.
Yeah.
Wait, no, because that requires
I
I mean,
know,
not a
but
transparent block, but like an outline.
yeah, I mean,
Actually, no.
either an outline or we actually try to get transparent materials to work. Like, it shouldn't be too hard.
One issue with that, we don't know whether the user is going to place or break a block before they click.
Oh,
So we would be rendering
true.
both the selected block and the place block.
Hmm. Yeah,
Seems
okay. I didn't think of that.
uh okay, so actually look back at the history of the file. Somewhere along here, I had a bunch of commented out code that did the highlighting. There it is. Okay, so we just need the in texture color. Texture color equals
Oh, yeah, right, that. I almost forgot about that code.
what we can do is use the select addition is pass equal textures pass and all of this. And if it's true, texture color to equal white. Else texture color to be this. This might work. That. Oh right, texture class needs over here. Rain right now. Not working well. Good though. Pass. Oh no, we have to do hover block pause dot x, block pause dot y, z. Or what am I doing? I need to just block hit equals for block hit for block pause. X equals that. There we go. Fixed all of the syntax errors.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. I was confused because it looked to me like there was some syntax error.
Expected end of file in. Okay, let's look at the parentheses. Opening parentheses.
What's that select thing?
It's just a macro that does the question mark. Takes condition,
Yeah,
question
okay,
mark.
I thought so. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, probably. I mean, it would be nice if it could show where the other parentheses.
Yeah, it would. But what if I just sort of copy this? Okay, well, if everything weren't red, I could. Actually, no, it just means that it doesn't exist. Okay, yeah, we're missing two parentheses.
Oof.
Oh, white one, this one. Okay, so we just need to add them here. I am confused.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
There we go. There we don't go.
Oof.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
I wonder why the code wasn't compiling.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now it runs. Oh, never mind. Back to this wonderful method. Unexpected end of file. What? We're back to this? Oh. Okay, so we open one parenthesis. We open two, close one. Still have two to close. Are closed. Here, open one. Close two. But we don't close it here.
Is the texture even correct?
There we go.
I mean, shouldn't you do
Sort of works.
wait, I mean
We're selecting
like
through stuff. That's okay. So at least this is highlighting. What were you saying?
I was just wondering if texture is correct or if it was like I mean there were two functions for texture sampling or fetching or whatever.
Texture? Wait, what do you mean?
Like I mean one that uses floats and one that uses integers.
Oh yeah, this one just right, so you have the image load and you have the texture. I
Oh,
wonder, can we
image
use
load. Okay, yeah.
can
That's
we use image
what I wanted
load
to know.
for a texture so that we avoid
Yeah. Hmm?
No, I'm wondering, should we use image store instead of text or no?
I mean, you wanted bitmaps.
True, but it doesn't look like we're getting
Um, yeah, no, we aren't for a simple reason because I think there is an int cast in there.
There's an int cast.
Yeah,
Uh
like if you, I mean, somewhere there is. There.
so the
Or like in general, all these int things.
make all of this float with two L's.
Yeah. I mean,
Float.
now you of course have to um make sure that you have the what is it called again? Like these filters set to nearest,
Yeah, it is.
because otherwise you will have yeah smooshy textures.
Operands to percent. Oh, here. X fetch y percent. Okay, what we can
Oh yeah,
do.
you need to use mod.
Yeah. Or is mod more expensive than percent? I don't know. Probably not.
No, I think that mod is just. Well, I mean, yeah, it's mod for floats, I think. Like, it's probably a bit more complicated, but it shouldn't be too much more expensive.
Hey,
We
there we
will
go.
see, maybe. Ah, wonderful.
These bitmaps?
Hmm?
Can't quite tell. Oh wait, what happened to the textures? Hold up.
Um, well, I mean, it's definitely not nearest, so
Aha. Okay. Well, I thought I set it to nearest, but I guess.
maybe you did at some point, but not anymore.
Oh. No. Nearest. Aha. Dimper says, bro, are you coding? What a. Okay, something went really wrong here.
Okay.
Trying to allocate VBO beside object, static draw, normal issue.
Wait, what is going on now?
Where's what?
What is going on now?
So,
Like, I can't see the Minecraft window.
oh right, well I was looking at the error codes, but yeah, you should probably look at the Minecraft window also.
Ooh, that looks cool in a way.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Hmm.
Oh, why does this remind me of PlayStation? Like what's happening on the floor right now?
Um, yeah, I guess it's not using bitmaps. Oh yeah, I think you need to generate bitmaps first,
Uh-huh.
unless you're doing that.
Okay.
Like, I'm pretty sure that OpenGL has a function for that.
Yeah, it does. GL bitmap something.
The one that, yeah, no, oh yeah, that one.
It'll generate bitmap and zero.
GL underscore texture underscore 2D.
True. Texture 0 or texture 2?
2D.
Okay.
Because it expects the texture to be bound, which it is. I think it's better.
It's
Like, you definitely have less noise, I think.
let's run it at the same time. Oh, I can't. I also didn't comment it out.
Well, I mean, you can. Like, you run the
Oh, build it.
exe itself. Like, you just build it.
Seriously?
Oh.
Uh, can't change mode.
Oh, yeah, right. Because it's using itself. Forgot about that.
Yeah, it's pretty important.
I don't know. Maybe make a copy of the exe and run that.
Yes. Let's go to what
I mean, let's just hope
this?
that names don't matter, but they shouldn't.
What encode temp folder? This thing and then just texture generator.c+.
Cool.
What happened here? Release.
Maybe that's the reason why it didn't work.
Ah, yes, obviously. Now let's build. So now we have both copy. Hey, do you still like food? Honestly, yeah, my opinion on food is quite positive. I think that food is great, and
Yeah, it's definitely the future.
yes, it's the future. Okay, this still, I'm not convinced that it's generating bitmap. Go to the supposedly non-bitmap. Yeah, honestly, I gotta say, food is probably quite. No, we still have the.
Hmm. Yeah, okay. But I think the left one is worse. Maybe.
I don't see a difference.
Hmm.
This is a pretty sick texture pack, though. I mean, I wouldn't see myself using it, but hey, at least the leaves.
Wow.
Also, the lines between blocks aren't there. Maybe it's
Hmm.
just a problem with how we are
Well, they are there, but they are very subtle.
Yeah, true. Um, Maybe it's a problem with how we are generating the text map. I still don't trust. Sorry, the texture atlas. I still don't trust it. See if we go
Yeah.
into render doc.
I mean, definitely not. We already looked at it, and
It looks really odd.
yeah. So definitely
Also showing
something
the
is wrong
screen.
there, but it makes no sense.
Texture compute shader. You'll dispatch compute. Yeah, so it looks like this. And I'm not sure this is.
No.
What's that at the bottom? What happened here? Is that uninitialized memory?
Could be.
Oh yeah, I actually got the world properly here. Both of the slices. Pretty cool.
Hmm.
For the trees. It's upside down,
Nice.
but you can see.
Oh yeah, right. They are upside down. I was wondering what is wrong with them.
But I don't know, I find that pretty cool. Also, I think I'm generating the world way too far down because zoomed in.
But like seriously, for a second, I thought that it would like actually preview it in 3D.
That would be interesting.
Yeah. Like, so yeah, I got it to view to render properly, and then you can just fly through the world. Oh, okay, that's a thing. Yeah, okay, but I guess that would be too much.
I have no idea what I'm doing. God, that was a loud Windows complaint. Um, right, so two things broke really bad.
Hmm.
Actually, no, just one. The textures. If I just comment this out, what happens? What do you mean parameter I is not a word? Okay, so it's the bilinear thing. If I set it to really pixelate, or if I go far away, it sort of looks like the original. Yeah, it does. Really happy we can run it at HD without much lag.
Yeah.
And I switched macro profiles on my keyboard instead of pressing Alt F4. I hadn't done that in a while, hoping it would happen, but it did. Okay. I am guessing that bitmaps. You generate bitmaps. Bitmap OpenGL. Learn OpenGL embedded systems.
Well, I mean, you just downsample. And there are many techniques for that.
Yeah, I just want to look at the text parameter I. Oh, you need to set a min and a max.
Okay.
Okay, well, I wanted to look at what functions you need to call.
I mean, maybe you like. I mean, what is your min filter?
It is nearest.
Maybe it shouldn't be. Like, I think nearest is only good for Mac.
Well, by can't linear. Near bitmap linear. What does that mean? Oh, like texture itself is linear, but I don't know. Okay, we're back to PlayStation 2.
Hmm.
You see what I mean? Does this is is this just me, or does this look like the thing the PlayStation does on the textures that are near the camera?
I never really played PlayStation 2 or saw footage, so
Ah, okay.
can't really
I think
judge.
it's PlayStation 1, but yeah. I've played a bit of emulated games, and they all do this because of the PlayStation's renderer. It's really odd. I don't know why, but they like warp the textures near the camera in a really weird way. Okay, what if we swap these? No reason. Just work, please. So let me drag the window over.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this isn't good.
I mean, can you set a texture mid-map filter?
I think min and mag filters are for the min. Let me Google OpenGL bitmaps again.
Yeah.
Uh, OpenGL.com, the best website. Border color.
I wonder, maybe you need to enable mid-maps?
Wait a second.
Like GL enable?
Hold up. GL linear, bitmap linear.
Okay.
In filter.
Ah, I see. So so only if that's in there, it actually uses mid-maps. That makes sense.
Okay, well, it looks like the effect got worse.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Well, I mean, it looks really good at 4K, but I think everything looks good at 4K, so
Yeah, you're right.
it's not really an argument.
Also, it really doesn't make a difference if it's running at like D or SD, or like, sorry, if it's running at HD or anything higher because of the size of the window. We should allow resizing.
Oh
Problem
yeah,
is,
right.
since it captures the mouse, then it would be odd. Resize the window. And else we could do an options menu, but don't want to do menus right now.
We
And
really
I'm
get
making
carried
menus
away,
in
don't we?
what?
We really get carried
Yeah.
away, don't we?
I
I
also
mean, we are still not able to place blocks, I think.
oh, we should do that.
Yeah. Also, wasn't there some issue with the highlighted block
Um
that
yep.
it's not 100% accurate?
I think because let's switch it back. Nope. What was it before? Made them pixelated.
Um, well, one of them was nearest.
Oh, because we made it floats out of the.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay.
Okay, let's make it an int for now. Worry about that later. Just int. 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 Really find and replace. Too deep in. So, yep, they're back to being pixelated. Okay,
Hmm.
time for highlighted block. Can I now hover over blocks properly? No, I can't. I can. But it does the furthest block select. So if you see my reach is 5 blocks, so if I'm 5 blocks
Mm-hmm.
away, it does this one, but that one, that one, that
Huh.
one.
So the
So,
exact opposite of what we want.
yep,
Hmm.
what we need to do is choose furthest hit.
Oh yeah,
Oh
right.
wait,
Yeah.
furthest hit. Travel dist, I think. Wait, that will just exit the loop and stuff. Yep, can confirm it's not working. We can't even select any blocks now.
Hmm.
Wait, no, we can. What? But the shader's not showing.
Hmm.
Oh, it is. Okay. This is odd.
Ah, I see. Yeah, it already has problems with the second axis, which is the y-axis.
Why?
So you were selecting blocks 5 blocks lower than you, I think. Maybe? Could that be? Hmm.
Think we need to.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with that.
Don't think this is right. Not sure. And also not a shift.
Hmm.
Because if I just set this, that it's going to go to the next one, and it's going to increase ray travel distance. We set furthest hit to ray travel distance. Ray travel distance is greater than furthest hit.
Yeah. So it exits, which is okay because it hits something, and then
Right.
it goes to the next axis.
Do a break.
Yeah. That should work fine.
Okay. Good and bad news. It doesn't seem to be selecting through the floor, but I also have no idea what it's doing. What is going on? Okay, so this has a Y value of 36. I think it's going through the floor, yeah. This is really odd. I'm definitely not pointing at that bottom one.
I don't know if this is more effort, like too much effort, but like maybe it's a good idea to have the hover block a float vector and show like the exact point where it hit.
Sure. Let's just... Oh yeah, okay. Oh. Instead of doing an integer vector here, not integer vector. What is going on? I'm hitting backspace and it's deleting random lines.
Okay.
What? I think it's undoing when I hit backspace. What?
Hmm. All right, not Hmm.
Uh, Not a keyboard problem.
Yeah.
Time to close Visual Studio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I should probably leave soon actually. Like,
Okay.
oh, once we solve this, might be a good
Yeah. Definitely.
like, closest hit. 3, it's already Vec 3. Vec 3. And it froze. Nice. Visual Studio back. Okay. Right. Oh, it's already the Vec 3. And yeah, it's already a float vector. Yep. Okay.
Okay, nice.
Here it's 42. Move it.
Yeah, now just calculate the distance, I think.
Oh, you mean like get like say the closest hit distance equals the distance from that to player position or something?
To
Array
array
origin.
hit position.
I mean,
Like, I
sure,
mean,
but we already have
I
that
want it
done.
to show up as a circle, I think, on the block itself.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
Like in the compute shader.
Yeah.
Just like instead of all this hovered thing, just do the distance between the ray position and the hovered block position.
Like instead of block hit ID, all of this.
No. I mean, just wait. Let me guide you. This thing right here.
Oh, so instead of
Like
this.
replace yeah.
Whoa, I can type this character. Did not know that. Okay, let's make that a different line. Now we can
Yeah.
texture pass and what? Distance?
Oh, we have
Um,
distance. That's cool. Ray position.
Position and block hit.
Yeah, I think. Unless no, wait, no, block hit. No, that what is it? Block hit?
That's the block hit position.
Yeah, but we don't need that.
Oh.
The distance to what's it called again? Like the hover block position.
Uh-huh.
I like it. Hover block pause. Okay. And if that's
Make the texture color that?
Hmm?
Make the texture color equal to that? Or like instead of grabbing the
No.
texture, just
No, just wait. Let me like here just if that's smaller than let's say 0.1. Yeah. And let's try that.
here we go. Here.
Wow. On the trees, maybe?
Oh, what? You can see the trees through them. What?
Oh.
Currency glitch is back. Okay. I'm not seeing a circle now.
Yeah, neither am I.
Do less than 1.
I mean, maybe you need to do the oh yeah, right. This ray pause minus world size thing.
Ah, I do.
Yeah. I wish there would be a way there would be a way around it. But yeah, I mean, you can just copy the thing without the I. Yeah, like that. Wait.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, okay.
Time to bring the window up. Oh god.
Okay. Ah. Okay.
That is interesting.
Yeah, I mean, it's just the intersection with a ball, basically.
I see. Oh, right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Right, so it still selects the.
Yeah, I mean, I thought that this would give us like more insight on how the ray hit behaves, but This is more confusing. Oh, it definitely goes to the side? Okay. Shit. Okay, I think we should definitely decrease the radius. I mean, I thought 0.1. Oh, you changed it to 1. I see. No, 0.5 is, I mean, it might work, but I think it's still too big.
No, because the radius is 0. The radius of a
Yeah,
block.
yeah, the radius, but like the diameter is, of course, 1 block then, and I I like wanted to be as precise as possible.
A circle?
Yeah, like so it's super easy to pinpoint where it actually hits.
So, oh right, okay. So if we do like 0.2, I don't know, why was 0.1 not working again? Maybe we didn't have the resolution.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't. Okay.
No, I mean 0.1 was probably working, but we had this issue with the world size
Oh, right.
not being subtracted.
Okay, so first of all, it's really high up. More than like at the middle of the screen.
Yeah.
And it's going through.
Yeah. Hmm.
Wait, that's really low.
I mean, one thing we definitely can do, like I don't know if this is related, but don't calculate the frustum ray for y because it will always be pointing forward. Actually, you don't need to calculate any frustum rays because it's just going to be 0, 0, 1, I think.
No,
I mean,
because of the
unless you
camera.
are not doing that.
Of the camera.
No, like, I mean, you see this frustum rays where you have this pixel chords.
Uh-huh.
Like, I mean,
Don't need
just
this.
don't do the pixel chords, I think.
True. I guess we need this.
We do, I think. No, like, we still need the frustum ray, but like, it can be always assigned to vec3001, I think.
Okay, so make it. That's again not the shift button. Though it says shift, I made it the up arrow.
Oh, yeah, yeah, right.
Arrow.
Okay, we can actually get rid of a lot of stuff then. Anyway.
Hello, Jan
so
Nintendo. Welcome.
this works?
Okay.
Is it better, worse, same?
It is question mark.
Oh.
I see it right at the top.
Hmm. Okay. Also, are you subtracting world size, world height, world size? I mean, I don't think that even
And
matters,
they're
but
all 64, so matter.
yeah. Hmm.
Size, world height.
Yeah, okay. Well, I mean, this is not the one, but I mean, I guess it copied from it. Let me see. Wait, what is it again? No, wait. Oh, this is that. Never mind. Hmm. Hmm.
Hello, Trapmaster50. Welcome to. Probably going to end. So sorry about that.
Hmm.
Oh God. I feel like we really need to fix the fact that it goes through blocks because something
Yeah.
needs to go here. I'm not sure what needs.
Yeah. I mean, we could maybe look at the original code. I mean, I think just looking at it on GitHub should be fine. You don't need to open
Are you
RTX.
writing your own ray trace? I mean, sort of. Basically, God, there was a competition in 2010, I think, make a 4 kilobyte Java game, and Notch entered this Minecraft version. And what we're doing is reverse engineering it and making it a lot more feature rich and just improving it in general ways. And we took advantage of the fact that Notch couldn't fit a rasterizer, which is the rendering method, into the game because of the file size, and he was forced to write a ray tracer, kind of turn that on his head and make sort of have shadows and lighting. Basically, what
Also,
we're
oh,
okay. There's
sorry.
this while statement here. Java work to C. No, it doesn't. The original game was written in Java, but we're porting it to C++. Make it use GPU and stuff. It's no longer 4 kilobytes, by the way.
Yeah.
We're way past that. While ray travel dist is less than furthest hit, if we hit a block,
Yeah.
right here, furthest hit equals ray travel dist.
Yeah. So what we did, and which did not really work. Hmm.
Plus plus more efficient. Well, plus plus in general allows you to do more optimization. Java, but the main reason was like we can use libraries that interface better. I don't know how to. Hmm. Why did we eventually plus plus?
Um. I think it was like you just said that you wanted to port it probably more as a joke, but like I thought like we could definitely we could definitely use some performance boost
Yeah, so if
And
I
yeah,
go,
at some point we realized that we can just use compute shaders with C++,
mhm.
and yeah, I think that's how we decided to port it.
If I go to the Java version, turn it up to like 80, it runs at frames. And thanks to being able to use compute shaders, we can run at many frames. If I go to like full HD, still at 75 hertz.
Yeah, which is crazy.
Yeah, and like we're not even at full CPU, GPU. I go to Task Manager, performance. Yeah, we're at 40% GPU usage.
Yeah, GPUs are crazy. Like if you use them right.
Right, you have to not make the work groups one by one pixel because apparently that's
Yeah.
bad. Normally Minecraft is CPU. Well, this Minecraft can't place or break blocks right now. I mean, we're on that. We also don't feature mobs. Why is it running on GPU?
Oh yeah.
Like the rendering is running on the GPU, as most games do, because rendering the GPU is made for basically turning the world, the game, into pixels that you see on the screen, and then the CPU has to do all of the game logic, like dumping and stuff. So like this game is mainly GPU intensive because we are using ray tracing, which is very hard to compute on the GPU. So in Minecraft, never touch your GPU. Run shaders. Right. Well, shaders are programs that run on the GPU. So when you run shaders, that's why it uses GPU. I don't like how the Minecraft shader mod basically makes people think that shaders make stuff look good.
Yeah.
Not like normal Minecraft has shaders. Minecraft classic.minecraft.net has a shader to render the code. Windows probably uses shaders to render their windows.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know about that, but maybe they do. Hardware accelerator. Yeah, shader's just a exe file.
Yeah. And I was so confused when I heard that for the first time. I was like, no, they changed how lighting is handled and all that.
Yep.
Uh,
Ah, the good days of being
yeah.
knowledgeable. This is so odd because it feels like it's always on the center. Why?
Hmm?
Like it's the covered block circle thing that we're
Yeah.
rendering always at the center x y's, but it's
Mm-hmm.
not y.
Yeah.
Which makes me think either our ray trace or fast is bugged or else.
Hmm.
Third time's coast. What is going on today? Why is it holding control? Here we go. Maybe we shouldn't line pitching. Block edges. Yeah, we need to work on both textures and the ability to place and break blocks. Okay, no, something.
Yeah. No, I mean, you definitely need to wait. It would probably be easier if we would just have a rotation matrix.
Okay, I'll let you handle the math.
Okay, no. Wait. Uh,
Yeah, so agreeable. I do agree with you on the fact that features are not working properly. Basically, they did not make from Java to C++.
yeah, we still don't know why. Because, well, the code obviously looks the same, just with C++ stuff,
With
maybe.
const and references everywhere.
Yeah, or cons expressions.
Yeah, const e
Yeah.
con and just put GLM in front of it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we could just using namespace, but apparently that's bad because of naming issues. You don't do math dot sign, you just do sign. So then if you make a function called sign, it overwrites that. If you're learning Java right now, you don't really know C++. Yeah, I don't recommend C++
That's fine.
as a starting language. I think
Yeah.
Java or
Oh my
Python are
god.
great for starting, or C Sharp.
Yeah. Like, I mean, if you learn C++ as a programming beginner, then I could definitely understand if you give up. Like, then it's no wonder.
Yeah, C++, like, basically as far as you need to go. No one really needs to write assembly unless you're like
Yeah.
Shibboleth.
Hmm?
You don't need to know assembly unless you're Shibboleth.
Yeah, or unless you're, well, programming like hardware. I mean, I think some hardware is still programmed in assembly,
Huh. Usually
especially
can compile
like
C to it.
machines, I think,
Yeah, no,
like
but like
that only need very basic stuff.
I guess I've seen most embedded system stuff uses, but yeah, there could be stuff that just doesn't have a compiler, so you write your own assembly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recently found out that the compiler I wrote for the CPU project that like way back last year fundamentally broken with if statements. So if you write an if statement, it will actually just crash the entire CPU. So if you're gonna
Wait,
use an if statement, you better
like
code an assembly.
your virtual CPU or like the actual CPU?
We never built the actual CPU. Coronavirus preventing shipping,
Oh,
but yeah, the
I
virtual
see.
one just like completely stops, and the real one would probably completely stop as well.
Okay. But like it's like your own manufactured CPU and not like an actual professional CPU.
No, no.
Okay.
Uh,
Like I I wonder if you could even make a PC CPU crash by some instructions.
I mean, maybe.
Yeah, like I mean, you could probably make it let it overclock. Oh wait, like overclock it and then overheat it. That could probably cause some damage. But other than that, hmm.
I have it. No, I don't have a built copy. Ah, I do. Wait. Oh god, it's been so long since I've done anything. Probably not publicly browse my document. Dropbox. Run the Fibonacci
Ooh.
work. Oh, it's the old emulator before I ported it to Swing. That would explain the one that's named Swing.
Hmm.
Okay. Hello, Zoe's channel. Welcome to the stream that I should probably be ending right now. Does this still work? Hey, it's an old version of it that uses the code editor that I stole from someone. So it has the red line numbers. I really didn't like the red line numbers, so I wrote my own. Yeah, you can have like... This one doesn't have syntax highlighting. And it doesn't ask you to save your work. Painful. Okay. Well, yeah, I should probably end the stream. So,
Yeah.
thank you all for watching. It was quite a bit of fun to do this again. I don't know if I'll do coding live again, but maybe something else. Yeah. Bye.